Hey guys, this is your 1-minute fitness break. My name is Hounsome and I'm your favorite elite health coach, and I'm bringing you honest answers to those nagging fitness, health, and lifestyle questions. What can we do in 1 minute? We're going to work on your posture as we strengthen your shoulders and your core. So if you're ever wondering how to activate the shoulder girdle and activate the deep core muscles to give you that nice flat stomach, this is one of those exercises that you can do, and you need a stability ball in order to do it. So this is a little bit technical, so I'm going to probably be a little bit longer than a minute. But this is one of those exercises that you're going to do, and you kind of want to plant your feet. I don't have anything to plant my feet against. And you're going to start on your knees. So your hinge point is your hips. And then you're going to start with your ball a little bit farther away from you so that your arms now are completely straight. What you're going to do is from your hip, you're going to go forward. The weight is in your hands. As you go forward, you're going to squeeze your glutes, pull your abdominals in. Here's the fun part. We're going to lift and lift. Use your abdominals to pull your body back up into your start point. So now you have to work your abs, your glutes, and your shoulders. So if you're ever having that problem as you're forward all the time, and I mean most people are, and you want to work on your posture so that you bring it back, working through the shoulder girdle is going to do that. Working on your core, of course, is going to help you stand up straighter. So again, your palms are here, your fingertips are on the ball. From your hip, you're going forward. Now the weight is in your hands completely, and you're going to lift and then pull and squeeze your abs and glutes to come back to the start point. I'm going to do it one more time for you guys. So again, we're going to go forward, the hands, and all the weight is in your hands here. Lift, lift, and come back. It's really that hard. So if you're not sure, it's a lot of work through the shoulders, and it's a lot of work in the core. So you really have to pull your belly button in and up. Imagine like you're tightening a belt sort of thing. And then you're going to squeeze your glutes. So when you're lifting your hands, your arms, you want to keep your arms straight so that it really works through the shoulder girdle. So guys, if you ever have a question about your programming, and if you're not seeing the results that you want to get and you need to book a call with me in order to get a personalized program, by all means do that. If you want to know about an exercise, hit me up. Make a comment on my page, and if there's an exercise you want to learn or something know more about, of course, we can do that. So guys, that's your 1 minute fitness break. Good morning, Kim. Let me know how these work out for you. That's your 1 minute fitness break, guys. And again, my name is Hounsome. I'm your favorite elite health coach. And have a great afternoon.